What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the main reason that we promote the $25 business, guys, because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. It means you get paid every single month. 80%, that's unheard of. 80%, it don't drop down. You stay at 80%. Every month they stay in the system. Fantastic, you can build an income on this. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page to show you real results. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're going to Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, guys. Which is totally fine, not a big deal. Let's keep it moving here. So the first thing, if you guys want to do this, you need to get your affiliate link first. Alright guys, so let me show you my link here that I use here. This is the one that I personally use for for this method here. And you guys can use any link that you want. This is just the one I use. I just wanted to show you guys. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is go into the description. You're going to see step 1, step 2. Click on step 1 link, which is incomespeech.com. Should take you to a page that looks something like this. Now this is the sales letter of the $25 business. And basically it just talks about what it is, how it does, what money you make, all that blah, right? Blah, blah, blah. So if you're interested in what it is, it's a funnel builder. And what a funnel builder is a series of websites to get you to buy something, okay? Long story short. And if you are a affiliate marketer, you already know this and you know how much they usually cost. The most popular and the one everybody uses is ClickFunnels. It's over $100 a month for 20 funnels, and you got to pay way more than that to have more. All right, this right here, no limitations, $25 a month. Move all your stuff over here, guys. That save you what, $250 from. Well, they'll save you $75 for most of you, over $75 for most of you guys, and like $250, $300 for the rest, for like the really high skilled guys who got a ton of funnels. Anyway, guys, next thing is you can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions. That's $120 every customer, guys. You get about 10-15 people. That's a rent. That's at least rent. And shoot, where I live now, 10-15 people, they'll pay for every bill I got where I live right now. All right, so I'm just saying, guys, like this is really powerful stuff. You know, a lot of money made doing it. All right, they also give to charity, as you can see in this video here. If you've been paying attention a little bit, I've been talking about it. Feed people. Anyway, if you're interested in that, so anyway, you want to try this out, you go to Yes I Want In, right? Click on that, you put in your basic information, blah blah blah, right there, and you get the product complete order, right? And one thing I want to show you guys, if you use my link, you get HBA Premium for 14 days free. All right, now what this essentially is like what's working with traffic, like show you how to set up ads like Facebook groups, ads, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn solo ads, Instagram, TikTok, blah blah blah, more and more stuff. It shows you how to do it profitable and the way this works. All right, so some sites change their rules and stuff, so it's constantly updated. They change their rules, we find another way to promote it, we find a new site to promote on that's working, stuff like that. So yeah, some sites are like that, and I like that. And it's constantly updated. And like, so for example, if you pay for like a course that's not updated, you wasting money. Don't pay for a course that's not constantly updated, because things change. Something that worked last year on TikTok does not work now. So if I would have bought a course last year for TikTok, I would have wasted money. You know what I mean? So make sure you get something that's constantly updated like this, guys. Now, cool thing about this though, guys, also it's an AI content creation machine to help you post and stuff like that. But the cool thing about this, guys, is that 14 days for free. If you get a sale with this product here, you keep that $100. Like I said, it's 80% recurring income. You keep that $100, guys. It's also another product in the system that is usually $1,000 or $500 if they buy it within the first 3 days. You'll get 80% of that as well. $400 or $800 they buy it later on. All right, so yeah, man, really good system to set up here. Very good to promote. I promote it every. That's the way to do it. All right, so that's that, guys. Now, what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest, most stress-free way to promote this product, guys. And I have found nothing easier. You want to go to my link. You want to click on my second step there. And it says something like My Lead Gen Secrets. You click on it, it's gonna take you to a page like. Now, what this page is My Lead Gen Secrets. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads you can email once a day, and it kind of adds up over time. You know what I mean? So as you can see here, it just constantly adds up. So what we're gonna do, guys? All right, so we're gonna sign in here. We're gonna collect all our leads, blah, boom, like that. We're gonna load up our previous email here. A very short email. I think it works really well. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to make it similar to. I actually asked the system to do that as well. Write something. Hold up. No, wait a minute. Yeah, here we go. Here's the email. Hit those. I'm gonna just create a title myself. So, $24. 24 hours, something like that. Good title. So anyway, guys, what we're gonna do is copy this email here. Copy that. All right, and we're gonna go to the mailing system for this, and boom. Get some. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get our link. Copy. This. Fold this. Fit the link in there. Boom. All right. Fold that. Files. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna stick. That's an email right there. Very simple email. You saw how fast I made that? That's all it takes. So you want to hit perfect timing. That's going to send an email around the time that people check email. You want to hit preview to make sure your link works. Check that, make sure it works. Link does work. Also, guys, you can copy the email if you want to. Very short email. Just put it in there. Works really well. You see how quick I made the email. It's real simple. Real simple. You know, super duper simple. I ain't gonna boast. You don't want too much bold in it. I think that looks a little bit better. Anyway, guys, yeah, you just copy that. Very simple, easy email. You know what I mean? And boom, you're done. Boom. That's all it is. Very simple email. And yeah, just copy that. We send an email and we're done, guys. That's all it takes. And as you get more emails in the system, like before, and just keep adding more emails, you just pop into this, send an email, done for the day. 15-30 seconds, guys. Every day. Make money. That's crazy to me. Very easy. Now, guys, before I get out of here, let me explain what I think is the most effective method to making money online with this product. And that's gonna be making shorts. Particularly YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok shorts. I think those are the most effective methods of making money online right now. And just keep posting shorts at least 3 times a day. Some people do it about 5 or 6 times a day, every 2 hours or something like that. If I were to pick, it's the best. What's the best site working right now for most people? It's YouTube. YouTube has very consistent buyers. YouTube usually works really well. TikTok's working the worst right now for most people, but YouTube's working really well for most people. Instagram's pretty good too, if you ever get them growing. Instagram and YouTube are a lot more financially stable than TikTok, and especially YouTube. You can also make money with AdSense, which is really cool. So there's literally no reason not to do this on YouTube, guys. Just keep posting. Make sure you post at least once a day. And you got to be consistent with everything you do. That's how you make money online. Stay consistent. Don't worry about how good your videos are or anything like that. Just making sure you're posting. You know what I mean? Now, more better videos will do better, but constantly posting shorts, I think that's the way to go right now. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.